all are doing great. So today we are going to start our 90 days basic learning program, and today is our first day, and we are going to start with English subject, and I am going to teach you basic strokes. What am I going to teach you? Basic strokes. Yes, there are 10 basic strokes, and today you are going to learn 4 strokes. Those are standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line and left slanting line. So are you all ready? Shall we start the class? The first stroke which I am going to teach is standing line. What is it? Standing line. Yes, so we are going to learn the strokes with air tracing method. That means we are going to draw or trace the strokes in the air. Yes. And how we are going to do that? I want you to take your 2 fingers out, that is pointy finger and the middle finger, and put your hand straight in front of you like this. Yes, very good. From top, take your fingers, take your hand on the top and slowly come down straight to bottom. Yes. That is standing line. Again, shall we do it again? From top, slowly come down, standing line. And now I want you all to stand. Get up, all of you quickly stand up. And now stand straight. Yes. So when you are standing straight, what are you doing? You are forming a standing line with your body. Yes, this is standing line. Yes. So once again, shall we draw? From top to bottom, standing line. Okay. Now the next stroke which we are going to trace is called sleeping line. How? Sleeping line. Now I want you to again take your pointy finger and the middle finger, and I want you to trace the line from your side to side. So start it from here and go to the other side like this. This is called sleeping line. Again, from one side, go to the other side. Sleeping line. Now, when you all sleep at the night, how you are sleeping? You are sleeping on your side and you are forming a sleeping line. When you sleep on your side, you form a sleeping line. So again, shall we trace in the air? From your one side, go straight to the other side. This is sleeping line. So we have finished our standing line and sleeping line. Now the next stroke is called right slanting line. What is it called? Right slanting line. So from your right, take your 2 fingers, your pointy finger and middle finger up on your right side, and then you have to come slant to your left side. Yes, again from your top right side, slowly come to your bottom left side. This is slanting line, right slanting line. So how? I want you all to keep your hand straight like this. Yes. Now bend your hand to your right side. How? Again, bend your hand to your right side. So this becomes the right slanting line. Yes. Now the next stroke would be the left slanting line. Again, I want you all to take your pointy finger and the middle finger to the top of your left side and slowly come down to your right side. Again, from top of your left side, slowly come down to your right side. This is the left slanting line. Again, keep your hand straight and bend it towards your left. Towards your left. So this forms a left slanting line. So shall we see all the 4 strokes again with our hands? Standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line and left slanting line. So These were the 4 strokes. Now I want you all to trace it in the air and show it. Okay, are you all ready? So the first stroke is standing line. Yes. Now you all trace it in the air. From top, yes, to bottom. That is standing line. Very good. I want you all to give a clap. Good, good, good. Now the second stroke is sleeping line. Yes. Now all of you trace it in the air. Yes, from your side to side. Very good. That was sleeping line. Now the right slanting line. What is it? Right slanting line. Now trace it in the air. Yes, the right slanting line. Oh, you traced the right slanting line. Now the last and the fourth one is the left slanting line. Now trace it quickly. Yes, superb. Now I want you to do it with your hands. How I did? Like this. Yes. Ready? Fast. You have to do it fast. Standing line. Sleeping line. Right slanting line. And the left slanting line. Super, very good. All of you give yourself a clap. Very good, very good. Faster, 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 faster. Now slow. Now fold your hands. Cross your arms like this. And done. So you learned the 4 strokes. Thank you children, and I hope you all learned and enjoyed the class today. See you next time.